the technique we're going to work on now is a basic, very basic defensive technique. So there's different techniques to block jabs, crosses, hooks, uppercuts, and that's a lot to put in the brain about what to think about when someone's punching at you. So I like to start off with a move I like to call the basic shield. It kind of covers a lot of bases, okay? So always with your hands up. This is so important. Good stance, hands up. So what's happening is when I'm seeing him throw a right hand, I'm going to bring my arm up, and as you can see, I'm still peeking over, okay? And I'm keeping my fist up. So what's happening is, whether my opponent is throwing a rear hook, uppercut, or jab, I'm protected here, okay? You don't want to use this for everything, but this is just your basic defense. This is the shield. So I'm bringing it up. You see him throwing it on that side. I'm bringing it up, and I'm peeking over the top of my fist, okay? I'm pretty covered here, all right? Now, if I know they're going a little more hook, I'll bring this up a little tighter for the hook. If I know they're going for more of a jab, I can angle, and remember, I can angle this up with my upper body. So my goal is really for their fist to hit the tip of my elbow. This is a break on your fist. So, opposite side, okay? You see them throwing on their left, okay? And down. And just practice this, feeling safe and covered, okay? And peeking over. So, one thing to consider on this is the countering ability off of this. So as I cover and my opponent, I can actually come out with a cross. Okay? But this is just the most important thing, to stay covered, hands up at all times. You'll avoid a lot of damage. You'll avoid getting hit that way. This is just a light application for the shield. So here we go, okay? Now if Chris is going to throw a right cross, I want to try to actually, that's absolutely right, see? I want to catch there. Now if he throws a hook, I'm also covered. And kind of loop around like an overhand. Okay? So it's about, and then you're throwing a jab. Okay, jab. So that's the thing, is I'm staying covered. Okay? Now, one important thing to realize about this is your body is very open, right? You're throwing a right cross, that'll work too. Sometimes that happens actually a lot. Right cross, okay, is that my body's open. There is no denying this. That's why you're going to see a lot on Ninja Tech martial arts. We're going to get into body hardening. The ability to absorb punches to your body without a problem, kicks to your body. We're going to get into this later, but it's, as we say about the head is a very small target to protect. Your body is a very large target, your legs. So these are things you need to build up resistance to taking damage to. So we're going to get on that on further videos. But as far as this is the basic shield, okay? It looks like when we're here, okay? This is the kind of way you want to be, hands up, tight, okay? Covering up.
Also, you can't body harden your face the way you can the rest of your body.
Absolutely.
The more hits you take to the jaw, the weaker your jaw becomes. Period.
Absolutely. You'll see the deterioration of fighters, but when you train body hits, you can build up your resistance to body hits. But absolutely right. You can't take, people can either take a punch or they can't. Obviously, if you see the punch coming, it's a lot better, but absolutely right.